Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Rewind, and today we're back with the 1981 Twinstar CM200T. We're going to fix the rear taillight because it was all smashed, and we're going to fix the housing up here again with the plastic welder. Jackson helped me pull the taillight lens off. Okay guys, you can see we're going to start here on this back tail light. You can see where it's cracked. All in here it's cracked. I'll show you from this side. It's cracked here. We're going to do our best to push that back together. We're going to plastic weld it. I'm going to use some staples. I think the first thing we're going to do is jam that in really good right there. Stick a staple right in here. And then we're going to try to plastic weld all in there just to get this to hold back together. A little bit more. I super glued this bit on earlier. I'm going to put some plastic weld around just to make sure that it's good all the way around. We are missing this one, so I'm not so concerned. But two will hold it, right? At the speeds that we're moving at, we should be okay. We'd probably be okay with one. The broken one had one that was halfway screwed in, so I think we should be okay.